back over here, but you can see the whole pool
and 5:30 in the morning. I wish I could start every day like this. I have it all to myself. It's almost 300-foot drop. I accidentally stepped on that little booger. Kind of looks like a turd, but it's a slug. Or is it a turd? Seriously, I don't see how they get a 2.5 mile hike, because it really seems like a half a mile loop. I'm already almost at the bottom. Haven't even worked up a sweat. Very easy trail. Definitely suggest you come see this one if you're out this way. You won't be disappointed. Oh my gosh, this is freaking awesome. You can definitely feel the mist off of it. And it is kind of nippy out, and I didn't bring a hoodie. But I am so pumped full of adrenaline. I am so glad I came just a few hours out of my way from Seattle to come to Oregon and check out a few of their waterfalls. Definitely breathtaking. I'm going to take that little trail right there so I can get directly underneath this thing. So glad this is a waterproof camera. Look at this wall structure. Beautiful. All the waterfalls I've showed you that are here in Oregon have been extremely easy hikes. 6:30 a.m. Doing what I love doing most. Easy hike. A lot downhill, so it might be a little harder going back up for those that just want to look at the overlook. There it is. I'm at the bottom, but I'm going to work my way up over here where this little lookout thing is. This is definitely one better to look at in the middle instead of on the bottom. It's so pretty. Okay, after going all the way around and coming up the other side where the observation deck is, I strongly suggest you go to 2/3 mile hike and back, because this part is straight up and very slick, even though I don't look it in the video. So don't go the half a mile way to the observation. You definitely want to go to 2/3, and I would even go back the 2/3 way. Okay, that's probably the observation that they're talking about. The easy one. Because definitely nothing easy about going this way at all. So go to your observation deck that I showed you and turn back and go around. I would not try to go up this way at all unless you want to work up this way and you're pretty experienced. I only say it because it is actually straight up and slippery and pretty dangerous. Not that I think that I am better than average, but I'm already here and I'm going to conquer it. That wasn't an overlook, that's the road. Ooh, that was definitely something for my hiking friend Monkey. She would have enjoyed that. It was literally laying down, rock climbing, and grabbing vines. So this is definitely not the loop, but it was an awesome view. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch these videos. This is the top. No, I did not go over the fence. I happened to be on the top because of the way my hiking trail led me, but no regrets.